Benefits of green smoothies. Now we've discovered that green smoothies are excellent for one's health. Let's look at how they actually help you get healthier and stronger. Increased energy. While you may not notice a change overnight, as you consume green smoothies over a period of 2 to 3 weeks, you'll notice that you have more energy and a better outlook in general. You will have more vitality and zest for life. You won't be able to explain why, but rest assured that the green smoothies are making a difference. To achieve this, it's best to consume the smoothies on an empty stomach. Another good time to drink these smoothies is after an exercise session, when your body is craving nutrients. Aids in weight loss. As mentioned earlier, Joe Cross lost almost 100 pounds from a juice fast. It may make many people panic when they think of not eating food and merely drinking smoothies. They fear starving or becoming undernourished. This is a huge fallacy. Our bodies require nutrients from food, that is true. However, there is a severe dearth of good nutrients in the food we consume these days. That is why people never feel satiated and constantly keep eating. The food they're eating is high in processed ingredients, additives, etc. While it may fill the stomach, these are empty calories that lack the nutrients the body needs. As a result, the body craves more food to compensate for the lack of ingredients. So, people eat more, get obese, and stay unhealthy. Green smoothies are packed with micronutrients that the body craves. You would be surprised to learn that a single glass of green vegetable juice, full of good nutrients that the body craves, is more beneficial than an entire meal at a swanky restaurant. They combat and prevent illness. This is pretty straightforward. Right from when we were young, parents have instructed their children to eat their greens. Everyone knows that vegetables are essential for good health and for strengthening your immune system. Prevention is better than cure. They contain healing properties, prevent acne, and aid in detoxification. Green smoothies contain essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that encourage quick healing. This is one reason why bodybuilders consume green products. They usually take supplements in tablet form. Drinking green smoothies is much more beneficial than popping green supplement tablets. Acne sufferers, especially teenagers, notice that their acne problems tend to diminish when consuming green juices. Since the greens are rich in vitamin A, sulfur, vitamin K, vitamin C, etc., the body's immune system is stronger and is able to combat health issues such as acne or even yeast infections effectively. Detoxification is another fantastic benefit of green juices. The food we eat, water we drink, and even the air we breathe is often filled with toxins. Green smoothies will help the body detoxify itself more effectively. Other benefits. They are easily digested and the body is able to quickly assimilate the essential nutrients. The smoothies are rich in fiber and help maintain a healthy digestive system. They can be delicious once you get used to them. The mix of fruits and vegetables can be tasty. You're consuming a very tasty medicine for your body. If you struggle to eat vegetables, green smoothies is a very convenient replacement. This applies to kids who hate eating vegetables. It is much easier to gulp down a green smoothie instead of gnawing on Brussels sprouts like a hamster at the dinner table. They are just as healthy too, the smoothies, not the hamster. Green smoothies help to maintain a healthy cholesterol level in the body. As you can see, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain by drinking green smoothies often.